Hi everyone, I am Satwik. By background, I'm an backend AI Python developer. I go by the handle Satwik Consul everywhere. And around a month back, I was very curious about OpenClaw. Like Om said, it was all the hype. So we participated, me and one of my friends, in a hackathon called VibeCon. It was probably one of the largest vibe coding hackathon in India. And so yeah, we wanted to see what we can do with OpenClaw, and we realized it's a pain to set up. You saw like a lot of people are building tools to set it up, and we were not so sure about the use cases, right? So I thought, why not let OpenClaw control your phone? So we built a mobile agent that can control your screen and do all the things that it can do. And I have a pitch, so I'll just play that.
Hey Siri, order me a pizza.
Here's what I found on the web for Order Me a Pizza.
Okay, Google, text my dad, I'll be late.
Which dad? I see 3 contacts with name Dad.
Alexa, book me an Uber.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. But here's a fun fact about taxis.
I waited for so long. I tried so hard, but nothing changed. Then came into my life.
Roby is not another hard-coded or narrow-scoped or server-only AI.
Hey Rovi, I just got done with the work.
Evening, bro. That's later than usual. Also, did you get something for your wife? It's Valentine's Day.
Oh shoot, send her some flowers and then text her.
Sure, bro.
Can you order my favorite biryani while I get home?
On it, bro.
I'll grab my bag. Can you also book an Uber?
Of course. I'll book an Uber to your home.
What's trending on X today?
Checking. Donald Trump looks to be in a mood today. On a serious note, US-China tensions are rising, and the Iran war seems nowhere close to ending.
Thanks.
5 tasks, 0 taps.
Roby can control any app and do anything your phone is capable of. It remembers your favorite apps, your food choices, your contacts, and your routines. It knows how you do things like a real bro. Because here's the thing. Next billion AI users won't run an agentic harness on a remote server. They're going to pick up their phone and say, Rovi, handle it. Rovi will get it done.
So yeah, the idea is using AI to do daily tasks, which involve like booking cabs, ordering, searching, all of that, and a lot of that happens on the mobile. So this is what we are trying to build. This is the team. This is me. This is my friend who is based in India right now, and yeah. So the apps that we have used, um, they are Indian apps. Some of them are popular, like Uber is worldwide. Um, so as you can see, it kind of reads the screen, taps on elements, and figures out what to do. So this is not an agent that needs an MCP. This is an agent that figures out things like how you operate an app. And over the time, it learns. There's a learning loop in it. So if it struggles to use an app, like there's a pop-up and it would cancel it, next time it would remember that. So yeah, so the idea is learning over the go, learning your behaviors, learning your food choices, so that you can stay stuff things like order my usual coffee, and it knows like what your usual coffee is, where you order it from. Um, so if you guys want to use the app, just hit me up on Telegram or WeChat, or you can fill up the form. Let us know like which platform you're using. We can send you the app link. It's still in development, but within 1 week or 2 week, we'll be able to send beta invites. Uh, Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Open to any questions. No?
Just curious, how do you control the phone?
Okay, so there are multiple layers to it. If you guys have used screen readers, so a lot of apps are built for accessibility. These screen readers know where the buttons are and where what the text is. So AI is able to use the same API and figure out, hey, this is a button for search, this is a button for, booking a taxi. These are the options in the cab. So this is pretty much there in most of the popular apps. But sometimes it's not enough. So we use vision model to figure out like where in the layout to click. For example, sometimes you might see an ad popped up. So that is what is figured by vision model. And we know what pixel to click and then kind of propagate from there. So it's a mix of accessibility service and vision models.
So you're just scanning and clicking. No hooks in the APIs for buttons or
Hooks as in, sorry.
no hooks in the API for Android.
Yeah, the hooks are accessibility service, which kind of gives you the metadata that this is a button, this is a black button to search, but not every app has it. So you have to rely on visual information sometimes. So it's more of an optimization thing. I think in future these apps will have MCPs, so it would become easier over the time. But for now, we have to hack it around. Thank you. Any other questions?
So your vision model runs locally?
As of now, no. It can connect to any API. Basically, right now in the demo, I've been using GPT-4, but I've used other models as well. It can connect to any model.
So like every time when it scans the screenshot, you basically just send that to GPT-4.
Not every time, only when it is not able to figure it out from accessibility service, or only when it has never seen the app before. But once it has seen the app, once it knows how Uber looks like, it doesn't have to scan it because it knows where the buttons are in Uber, right?
So you cache.
Yeah, so it learns.
But does it only work in Android or iOS as well?
Right now, Android, iOS, it's a bit trickier to read all of that data, but there are workarounds. It's like a bit of trial thing which we are trying to do, but we have made good progress in iOS as well. Any other question? Okay.